What do you do when you have such a high impact that can affect your inner body and affect your organs in there? I'm Gary Berger from Berger Law. I wanted to tell you a quick little story about what happened to one of our clients who was involved in a sudden deceleration and a delta V, a change of velocity of about 39 miles an hour, very significant. And what happens is he had a rupture in the peritoneum and the tissues in his lower abdomen that required emergent surgery. He had other problems as well, and he's here with us. He's doing well now. But what they had to do emergently is they had to go into his lower small intestine, and the doctors, great doctors, had to go in and emergently, he had internal bleeding, and they had to emergently excise or take out about 55 centimeters of his small intestine. And then they had to put it together. We took a video deposition of this doctor. What they do is when they put it together, when they take out a piece of your intestine, they don't attach it end to end because that might break. What they do instead is they put two ends of it together. You can see what they did. There was blood pooling around the liver and the spleen with mesenteric tears. They transected the small bowel with a GI stapler. Oh yeah, it was 55 centimeters. They did anastomies. What they did is they took the two remaining sides of it. They took a clean cut. They put them together, and then they closed it up together with permanent staples to close that. And then what they did is they opened up between them, and then they sewed them together here, if you can see, sewed them together here, so that when he's digesting, it goes through there. He has had some issues with this post-surgically. However, this is the standard of care and how this small bowel or these small type of ruptures are addressed. So a lot of times after and post an impact like that, the doctors will monitor these patients to make sure that their organs are working well, their digestive system, these other things, because this sudden deceleration can negatively affect someone and cause permanent injuries inside them, even if they're not noted right away. If you have any questions about how to deal with these injuries, the medical involved in these injuries, or anything along these lines, give us a call at burgerlaw.com. Visit us at burgerlaw.com, and our phone number is 866-599-2222. Thank you.